Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rice Ball Clay Handcraft. Today I will make a cap for a pencil, like this pencil. What animal I should choose today? Because Chinese Lunar New Year is around the corner. Maybe today our job is make a cow, because 2021 is a zodiac for the cow year. First, you need to have a ball like this. I choose a white color. You can choose any color you like. And we put this ball on top of this pencil, make it smooth. Now it's done. We will make two eyes for the cow. See, this is the cow's eyes. Now we will make a nose for the cow. And don't forget to put two holes on the nose. Like this. See? And next we will make the cow's ears. We will get shape like this triangle. And we can make some patterns. Like this. See? Now the cow has two ears. Now the cow has two horns. We make two very short arms for the cow. It makes him very cute. Now we use two very little black spheres to make his hands. And when we done like this, we can cut it. See? His hands now is like this. See? Now you finish your job. You have a cap for your pencil. I think now your pencil is really happy. And it's really cute. Because it's super light clay, when it's dry, it will become very light. It will stay there forever. See, it's really cool, right? Hope you liked today's video. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.